Uh, uh. Alright, boom. Yo, what's good? What's poppin'? It's your boy Mario back with another video. We are back in the under profit account. We almost back to the neutral. We had put $700 in this account initially. We had 653. We had kind of a crazy day last time we traded on this account. I had lost 3 straight, and on the fourth one, I had won, and we profited like 20 some dollars. But if I would have lost this, we would have went all the way back down to like 400. So yeah, but we back at it again. Hopefully we can end the day back to 700 what we initially put in it. Then we can just start going up from there. Same strategy I've been using. Yeah, let's get to it. Okay, cool.
Damn, Kai, you going crazy. Big ol' A business, I'm a gas guard. In the trap, what you gon' do with that shit there? I'm hands on. I get up and get in motion when that fucking bag call, bitch. I just signed a deal on 18.5 strong, my money long, nigga. Yeah, bitch, I'm rich. Yeah, that Persian nigga shit. Yeah, who is this? I don't fuck with come with A. I recruit them quick, yeah. Fucking split. I'm just glad they all my mix.
Ain't this rich, I wanna be, but I'm rich. Ain't this rich, I wanna be, but I'm lit. I got these bitches on my dick, dog. Still be selling dope, but I'm legit. Yeah, I still be fucking hoes, but at home, dog, I really got a bitch. Yeah, I love red, walk all over tricks. I took it out of my mouth, gave her a kiss. I'm a sick motherfucker. These niggas dying that they ever make a diss. If you want a rich like this, gotta make a hit up. Get some bricks, motherfucker. I told Didi, nigga can't fuck with you, just keep on mashing.
Dang, shit bounced off that first one.
If it good, the flaws of foreign cars with
We
bad
missed it.
bitches, passion. All the hoes that ate this dick up, dog.
I'ma start though, just in case.
Got fish get stuck at the bottom of the pot when I pull on the blunt white ash. I'm buying parlay every goddamn day like Big Mo sipping fast. D-baby ain't turn like me, nigga, we buy Hellcats just to crash. Red Texas boys post so much all we make the drink taste nasty.
$80,000 in these real demons, yeah. And 250 to my brother, I'm a real nigga. Yo, apologize for what, we gon' still kill him. Got these poker face palms like I'm still dealing. Yeah, roll up the gas, ash all on the floor, this ain't no rental. Want me to smile, that 30,000, just bought a brand new dinner. Rolling loud, jump in the crowd, that's just how I'm feeling. Yeah, take that change cause I'm rich, bitch, I still stealing. Yeah, we gon' rob me, shopping spree, I'm too exhausted. This been flawless, this in my orders, I ain't even talking. Bitch, I'm ballin', got my water in the fucking faucet. Money calling, bought a brand new bracelet and fucking lost it down. So many cars, I don't even know which one to drive for. This is my business, you gon' fucking on the house high as fuck. My brother just gave me the drop on the ops, when I drive by it up. Think baby a pussy, you wanna ride, go ahead, try your luck. You ain't poppin' like you think you is, bitch, pipe on.
I just fucked 100 on like right now.
I told Jamie, spin this bitch and roll the window down. Bitch, you know we got the bullets when we ride around.
Ooh, I need something to reverse or something like.
Life changing, stocks trading, plans raging. I'm amazing. Haven't made it off my block. I'm a main man. I'm sleeping in the rock like a caveman. I'm freelance. I'm a savings. Had to take chance. Made a pain plan. Haven't made it off my block. I'm a main man. I'm sleeping. up, she fiendin'. It's a season, whoa. I can't change them cover, they want you the same, man. Kept you sleeping on that pavement, you made, man, whoa. By fun, I stack all bread. Mess with tussles, guess I got a hard head. Can't abort the mission, safe to say I'm all in. Put the opposition, tell the world to tune in. Pass through the time, it might feel like a whirlwind. Got so many plans, can't wait to go on tour again. All these tribulations, hoping make a better man. I'm just speculating, watching through these dealings. Whoa, life changing, stocks trading, plans raging. I'm amazing. I done made it off my block, I'm a main man. I'm sleeping in the rock like a caveman. I'm freelance.
I was trying to take that last one right there, but I was kind of scared. I ain't gonna lie. I was kind of scared.
I'm a main man. I'm sleeping in the rock like a caveman. My little mommy, we in tier one. Can't be stopping on them.
Hey, I always remember like when you see we took 3 trades, we lost 2, lost the first one, I doubled up, won the second one, doubled up, lost the second one, doubled up, won the third one, so I made all this money back plus a little more. But once you win that one, I always remember go all the way back down to 14. Don't forget and keep it at 56, cause you'll blow your account real quick. But yeah.
Doing shots across the globe, made me a roll runner. Losing friends I really love, turned me a cold lover. I'm out my bread and butter, I want my family to suffer. No, I ain't not ever sucker, I don't compare to others. From the outside looking in, they fans of all of us. They can't feel the way we feel, cause these my real brothers. I ain't sorry, go get more dough. All these critics tryna pick my brain like cornrows. All these bitches, it get hard to control my hormones. Life expensive, I spend millions on my wardrobe. You gon' always do what you sow. Opposition, my prodigy, oh no. Somebody still proud of me, I know. Oh, life changing, stocks trading, plans raging. I'm amazing. I done made it off my block, I'm a main man. I'm sleeping in the rock like a caveman. I'm freelance, I'm a savings. Had to take chance, just made a pain plan. I done made it off my block, I'm a main man. I'm sleeping in the rock like a caveman. Wow. 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 Play that shit on TNT. D-Mac on the fucking track. Say, yeah, look.
In the back of the Benz, I got it painted. The grill gon' plate it. My crib's still dated. When we ain't used to have another dollar, we gon' trade it. Robberies and grand theft autos, I can't fake it. They told me don't be trippin' about it, I can't save it. A whole bank of money, ain't problem. But if a nigga play, we gon' get him tomorrow. Just demonstrate. Them 17 top cutters, put it on the interstate. So I tell P.O. buddies, I can't even see that face. They don't really want me to chase. I don't keep my sneakers laced. I'm not just going no LA. I'm so many balls in that bitch, we don't need to vacate. Smoking grade A, but in school I had low grade. Get that boy a box of perfume, he got whole age. Throw that boy a 7.62, we'll throw shade. I hope every one of them hit you, not parlay. I'ma die, any Cuban links, I feel like Rod Wave. Walk through, want me to come through, that's a Rolex. What you gon' do, the money do, shorty. Don't keep telling me what you gon' do for it. Yeah, only talking shit that I don't do. I ain't phony, huh? You gon' do, huh? What the who? I ain't homie, huh? Lad man, he got track can by the homie. Ain't no bad plan, let's put your advance on the homie. We gon' live until we gon' lay him till the morning. Matter of fact, go on get him up while I'm performing. I just bought another grill, come at your informant. I just bought another meal and I ain't even hungry. Oh, you niggas you worse than a woman. Go down, down. Damn. I'm doing the newest shit. I introduced you to this. I put you in your shooter list. Fucking let me do the bitch. I've been going through some shit. I'ma take one more. If I lose this one, then we done.
I remember round in that bucket. When we was in that Nissan, they didn't give me nothing.
Alright, we lose this one, I'm done.
My own bitch when he love me.
Wait, one more. If it go to that top one, then I'm done. Oh, it's up real good. Take it down and shit. Do it real big.
But they don't acknowledge it. Look at where I live. You know I can't stand on it. A
Condo in the crib. I pay more than 1.5 for it. Every day expensive shit. Everything I'm in be lit. Every time I think about shit, I be trying to spend some shit. Long live all of my niggas, so we done came for. Hey, I gotta talk to you in the graveyard. I think we lost it. Yeah. If it touched the top green one, I'm gonna take one more. But if not, I'm gonna leave it alone. Hard over phone. Long way from here. Long way from home. Gotta keep it real. Real till I go. Gotta keep it with me. Everywhere I go. Hustle, meditate. Hustle, penetrate. One conversation. I'ma take them daily. Niggas still a swag. I can never copy. Niggas really hate. It gotta do a chunk. I'm alone though. I ain't finna dig ride, switch sides, I don't need your promo. Addict got me geeky, think about a master plan, I'm in my zone though. I ain't tryna borrow, rather buy the whole load. I done have a fair share and I ain't really calling niggas friends. Niggas cherry on, elevated strong, tried to bring them in. Mama knows you calling on the baby boy, son for it all. Even though I'm still gaining, maintaining, trying to get. Alright, I'm done. If it keep going up, then we just lost. But that's definitely the last one. And it looked like it's still going up. I'm so passionate. I don't need no limits. Damn. Yeah, it looked like we lost this one, y'all. It was just beautiful. Long way from here. Long way from home. Damn. I ain't gonna lie, I want to take another one, but I'm not. I want to bad, cause it gotta fall at some point. Do a stupid drop. Nah, we cook. Yeah, we cook. That bitch gotta drop. Like, yeah, that's 4 in a row. We done. Look, now I wanna drop. Yeah, that's crazy. Alright. So we took a big L today, so we back down to 453. But we ain't worried, because we gonna get back up there eventually. So this account, we battling. We keep going up, down, up, down, up, down. But it's alright. Just stick to the strategy, and eventually we gonna get there. But yeah, I'm just trying to figure out why. I don't want to blow the account though, you feel me? I want to take it though. I ain't gonna lie, I want to take this one. Cause it gotta fall down, but I'm gonna stop. See, boom, it fell. I'm gonna stop though. Cause, you know what I'm saying, no telling what the market got going on. And you don't want a revenge trade. You see how I want to take another one? I just lost 4 in a row. And I still want to take another one. And I would have won. Cause look, that shit falling down. I would have won, but it's okay. You don't want to get in the habit of revenge trading. See, look at that shit, bro. I would have won, but it's all good. It's okay. We'll make it back, you know, later down the week. Don't revenge trade. Don't chase. Even if you would have won, don't chase, because you'll get addicted, and then it'll be some more times where you'll be like, okay, I'm going to win like last time, and then you lose everything. So, and I done lost thousands doing that. So, I mean, it kind of sucks because I would have won, but it's all good. But yeah, that's it for today's video. If you want to learn the strategy, click the link in the Discord for ebook, video breakdown, everything I know is in there. Sports bet picks, everything. I'm just gonna start posting it in there every single day, or almost every day. So just tune in. But yeah, that's it for today's video.